Hello, I know I've been, haven't uploaded in a month, and I'm late to this update. But, yeah, so, this is Blox Fruits. You know it, it's got 10 billion visits, okay? It's based off my favorite anime, One Piece. I love Rubber Boy Fight Dragon Boy, okay? So, the newest fruit... Control Vince Naughty? Anyway, where is it? The newest fruit, Blizzard. What's this thing that could actually stand attacks in the first sea? Because I don't feel like going to the third or second sea. Could, go to Skypiea. Yeah, I'll go to, they can probably tank some attacks. Actually, what's the final one? I'll go to Water 7. Oh, yeah, so I've been watching Water 7 recently. Oh, this is not the correct boat. I've been watching Water 7, and it is my favorite One Piece arc so far. It's so good. Alabasta was my previous favorite arc because it's really good, let's admit. But honestly, Water 7's so much better. I'm going to complete all right. Actually, this is a chance to show the tornado flight. It's a flight ability, but like Venom, it does damage. And I'm pretty sure that it doesn't have a cooldown. So I found that this fruit is insanely OP. Actually, it's so OP. Look, I know the boat's faster, but I might as well show this off. All of them, you get your hands like snow. And also, they're just like, when's the snow fruit coming out? The creators of Blox Fruits, how about a whole blizzard? So, this is a really cool fruit. If the boss is there, that would be great, because he's a tank. And also, I'm going to be honest, the backstory of Frankie, it made me cry. Actually, it made me cry. I was crying over a fictional robot man. Alright, these guys should be able to tank the hits. Alright, so we'll go, so I don't need to see that. So, Snowflake Shuriken, you got snowflakes on your hands, and you send 5 of them. It's good damage, I'm just gonna kill them for every move. Whiteout, you summon a tornado and it drives them around. This fruit's got good damage. Howling Wind, you summon an even bigger tornado and it does. That guy was almost dead, but that's what that does. Blizzard Domain. This can probably kill this guy. I've done 200,000 with this move alone. But I'm gonna see if the boss is here because I'm gonna pray. Because I do not have Bobucks. I have 6 Bobucks. I cannot respawn bosses, so please just be there. Also, I still haven't got all the moves on Portal. I'm gonna do. Oh, he's here. I haven't got all the moves on Portal, so I'm gonna look at this. It's like an infinite damage glitch like Venom, but it's better than Venom because it doesn't have a cooldown. Eventually the Venom thing just stops. It just stops. But yeah, like Venom, you just if you get hit, the flight just gets cancelled. But you can just hold this, and if you don't get hit, you can just hold it forever. Which is crazy. Look at that. I avoided that hit, and now I'm destroying this man. So, Blizzard Fruit is insanely OP. I'm gonna get a Portal Showcase soon. But, yeah, that was Blizzard Showcase. Also, can I just talk about this pilot helm? I'm faster than Mink V2. I've got 2 times boss drop, so I got it on my first try. But anyway, bye.